During the same time frame, Israeli army and settlers killed 460 Palestinians. So I've been saying the only legal way to ensure its security for Israel is not confuse it's Israel's territory security and the security of its citizens with the security of its colonization plan. In taking the land.
Well, I have no power and no say on the state of the world and its economy. However, I can tell that Palestine is a test. Is a test in the literal term, in the sense that it has been used as a laboratory where Israel has experimented on the Palestinians weapons, confinement techniques, surveillance devices, spying tools, from how to infiltrate phones, how to develop biometric control, which has become very profitable because it has been sold to so many countries and markets. Think of Pegasus, for example, which has become a device to spy on us everywhere in the world. Or think of the drones that now are using to secure the Mediterranean Sea. From what? From piracy? No, from people trying to seek better opportunities, refuge, or just a safe haven. These have been perfected, they have been tested on the Palestinians, and Israel sells its military equipment and technology as battle tested.